Alright, a nice area. Lots of stuff going on here tonight. Just more of the whole city exploring tour. Oh, I feel like this is where like 90% of everybody in Bahrain lives, in this area. If there's something you want to get done or bought or done, this is where you want to go. I mean, I just passed like 3 fish markets outdoors, and then you have a ton of vendors outside selling vegetables, fruits, and everything. Usually at a much cheaper, discounted price than what you would have at the supermarkets. So, yeah. So if you're gonna get your deals and bargains, be outside. Just be careful, because it can be dangerous walking down the street. Very, very dangerous. But other than that, you know, the weather isn't too bad right now, so there's a lot of different shops, you know, whatever. Even if it's not authentic, it's still some pretty good deals. I like that backpack. It's a pretty cool backpack. I don't know if it's real. I'm definitely not paying 16 BD, because I don't think it's real. So, see, here's one of the vegetable markets they have right here. I mean, the prices are just so much better and cheaper than going to Lulu's or Mega Market. And they're getting it from the same place they get theirs from, like grapes. Oh man. But yeah, definitely buy it outside. It's just gonna be a better deal, better price. Lots of clothing stores. Shawarmas, if you like shawarmas and mixed grill. There's always a chicken being grilled somewhere. Always chicken. It's like everyone's just chilling, got their legs up, popped up. It's after work, so a lot of people are trying to get any shopping done that they need to get done. I think Thursday is like their quote-unquote Friday. So a lot of people in this country only get one day off, if they get any days off. So it's like a race to get everything done before they have to go back to work. I guess I'll have to say pretty lucky to have the job that I have, because I'm afforded a decent amount of time, at least enough time to come out and make videos. I think my mom said she watches my videos now, which is pretty cool. You even get cologne. Lady, I don't know what that is. I don't know too much about cologne, but you can get it here. The buses are usually stopping about every 15 minutes, so plenty of bus stops if you want a bus. Buses aren't that expensive. There's another shopping mall. Well, I think that's just the one floor. And that's it. There's nothing else really up there. So here's like Bahrain's world famous shawarma place. This is where all the best shawarmas are made. So if you're gonna get a shawarma or fish or meat platter, this is where you want to go.
What's your channel name?
Life as I view it. Life as I view it.
Where are you from?
USA.
USA, okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Pakistan.
Nice. Yes. All right, so again, you know, 3 or 4 shawarma shops all together. You can tell by the amount of people sitting around here that hey guys that it's a very popular spot. So, you know, I suggest if you're in the area, at least come here and eat once. You won't be disappointed. The food is good, the people are friendly, and yeah, it's just I mean, if you're not used to the weather, you might want to let it cool off a tad bit. Still, I mean, you get it to go too, but what's the experience if you don't sit down and eat it with all the vehicles driving by and honking and the smells and just everything that goes along with hi guys, goes along with you guys need any help? You need help? You need help? You need help?
No.
I can help you.
No.
All right. Looks like their water fell. This was a hotel and it closed. It's been closed now for like 6 months. There was 2 or 3 clubs in the back, but they're gone. So if you're looking to buy a hotel, this is the place. I don't know what he's making, but I guess everything's starting to look good now because I'm getting hungry. But I don't want to eat because it's so hot. It just
One bidi sale, one
won't be
bidi
good.
sale. Shirt one bidi, jeans two bidi.
Huh?
Shirt one bidi, jeans two bidi.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
come
nice.
inside.
No,
There's a sale, one bidi sale.
oh, thank you.
Hey, click my photo. Click.
No, it's recording.
Okay,
See?
okay.
See, it's recording.
Okay.
See?
Thank you.
Thank you. Phew, I'm not so much hungry as I am thirsty. So, what is this? It's like a hibachi grill or something. That's pretty cool. So, I think more than anything, I wouldn't mind getting something to drink. So yeah. Alright. Maybe we'll take a break and get something to drink, and then we'll make our way on around to see what else we can view. Cool.